Guys, so finally we are here in top. It was a big bumpy ride, but yeah, we had some fun going here. Quite dark. Actually, this is the tops behind me, and we got all my gears, my camera, drone. Yeah, so we are gonna go there and have some fun. So today, a lot of people came, man. Like, trust me, tops is really full. I suppose more than 2,000, 3,000, I guess. Not really sure. So let's go and have some fun. So guys, just now we completed some shoots. We got some aerial shots and we are waiting for the final scene. So at 11, they start the laser. Laser is basically countdown starts from the floor. So there is a laser which comes from top and the countdown starts from the floor. And we are gonna wait until it's 12 a.m. in the morning. Let's be prepared. We are expecting something big because they told it's gonna be a 10 minutes of fireworks. And they told us not to use the drone, so it's pretty sad, but again, let's have some fun. Only 2 minutes is left and they are going to start the fireworks right now. We are quite excited. Star 360 is already inside and I'm outside just trying to shoot some videos. Not sure if you could hear me, but yeah, let's see how it goes. People are like really, enjoying right now. Only 1 minute is left. Oh, so cool. You could see, I think it's like one of the biggest fireworks ever happened in Cebu right now. And just enjoy the view. We are not allowed to fly the drone, but of course you can enjoy the view here so that you won't be going somewhere else. Oh, looks so cool, man. So guys, just now if we're able to finish the 10-minute massive firework. It was a wonderful experience. We were able to record a few shots, but we were able to get some amazing shots from our Insta360 and iPhone and of course the camera. The funny thing is all the people are leaving because the buses are quite less. People are like rushing to leave right now. Tops is a really wonderful place, guys. Trust me, I'm not even kidding. If you could see all the shots, right? Especially during any occasions or fireworks, or even at nights, if you come here somewhere around 11 or 12 in the morning, you will have a really wonderful view along with quite a lot of food that you can try. Wow. Yeah. So the entrance is blocked right now. A lot of people are waiting to go home. Yep. These arches are really good actually. So alright guys, we are gonna go home now. The event just finished and we have packed up all our things. If you can see these places all are the food shops where you can come and eat the food or have some good time. But yeah, this is like the 360 view of the entire Cebu. The entrance fees is just 100 pesos if you are planning to visit here. And if you're having a bike, it's just like additional of 30 pesos which you have to pay. And apart from that, like this place is basically recommended early in the morning or late in the afternoon, especially for sunset and sunrise, because you will be able to see an amazing view of the entire city lights from the very top. I think it's almost like 500 meters above the sea level or 1 kilometer above the sea level, if I'm not mistaken. Thank you for watching this video and I really hope that you had fun watching this video, and thank you so much for supporting me. Make sure to subscribe, like and follow my page for more such updates in Cebu. So we are gonna head home. There is a huge crowd behind me right now and we are gonna head home and yeah, let's have some fun.